Hey, this is Cool Trains in Montreal, and I've got a CN train coming here at the Lachine Canal Bridge in Pointe St Charles. It's about 5:45 p.m. ES44. There it is, crossing the bridge into St Henri. Here on March 7th, 2027. It's the first time I've gotten a view like this that's not in the sun. Very cool. It's on the far track. Might get a via train or something later on going the other way. You never know. Maybe somebody will know this train number. It's the one with a lot of gondolas on it. This is a regular train, so it's one of those things where I probably should know the train number. It's about 1 degree Celsius, a little bit not quite raining, misty baby, a little misty. It's a bit chilly, so I won't be sticking around, but I did get a few trains at this location. Last time I was here was in summer. I've never been here in winter, that's for sure. I've always wanted to film on this end of the bridge. It's not something I normally do though, but it's cool. When you got a gray sky, you can do it. Unless you want to come here in the morning. I'm pretty sure this train will be going all the way through. I don't think it'll be backing up. Train's speeding up, so it's definitely not going to stop and do switching or back up. Is that the last car right there? Yeah, it is the last car. Heading west into St Henri, crossing St Ambroise Street over there. Hey, awesome, I got another one coming. Yes, coming east. Awesome. Now this was worth coming. So westbound and an eastbound train. Awesome. 2 for 1. At this really cool location. Here on Pointe St Charles. On this side, on the south side of the canal. And this is winter, so that's probably the reason why I could film here, because mostly in the summertime it's all foliage blocking the view. I really love those old factories. A lot of them are reconditioned into, you know, condominiums and things. But in the 1940s, those mills would have been humming. This whole area was very industrial at the time. In fact, there was a swing bridge here at one time. It was a truss bridge. In fact, one time that track that runs along the canal there actually crossed the main line here at a diamond. And continued further further down to the west to serve other industries. All that is gone now. The only industry on that spur line now is a flour mill of some kind. I can't remember the name of it. I love those noodle cylindrical hoppers. Those are cool. CP boxes. It's just starting to, I guess, rain or sleet. So this train came at the right time, because as soon as it's gone, so am I. is a really cool angle. I really like this. Again, doubtful I can come here in the summer and get the same angle because so much foliage will ruin it. But in the winter, it's really good. Last car? Yep, that's the last car. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.